Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a crochet braiding or crochet wig, I should say, with this pre-feather hair that I already reviewed on my channel. So I'm just showing you basically what it is. This is the free tress braid that I already reviewed. So this is the wig cap and also a closure. So I'm not too sure, if I was gonna use it at the beginning, but which I did at the end. From the beauty supply store, as well as the lace closure. Okay, so that wig cap comes with 3 combs and with 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Okay, so that mannequin was trying to act up. So here was a leftover piece that I had that I will be using first before I started using the actual pack of the free tress braid. Okay, so here I'm showing you basically what I'm gonna be doing, how I'm starting off the crochet braid. Just put in your loop and put the hair through and then pull it. And I was saying basically don't make it too bulky because the hair will slip out. So you do it like small to medium size. Don't make it look real big. If not, it's gonna slip out of the hair. So I did the hair until I came in the middle, and then I started showing you guys more detail on how I did this wig. Okay, I really had fun doing this wig. I'm gonna be rocking it later on. At the end of the video you will see basically I didn't cut it. I would do a separate video because I wasn't trying to make this video too long. It's already like 13 minutes and change long, so I wasn't gonna do that again on there. So because I really want to show you guys more detail on how to do the hair, so I'll do a separate video on that. So just, I'll be quiet for a minute or so and you guys just watch what I'm doing basically. So ain't that simple, y'all? That is so simple. I mean, to me, it might not be simple to everyone, should I say, because what might look simple to me might not look simple to everyone. So let me take that back. But what I did here is just put in my crochet pin like that, put in the hair, open the loop up, put the hair in, and just twist it. Sometimes I think I did twist it one time or twice. I'm not too sure. Some places I did it twice, some places I did it once. So as I go on, so that's how I came up with this beautiful wig at the end. I really like this hair. You don't have to do too much with it. I mean, you will see on my next video when I posted it. It's really, really nice and soft, So I think I'm going to get another pack or 2 packs of a different color than the one that I'm using. So, yeah. So I really don't have the I'm gonna have to go through my other video to give you the specs of this hair basically. So like I said, I already reviewed this hair. So it's the free tress pre-feather hair already, so I will have to get more of the specs and put it down in the description box for you guys to, in case if you did not watch that video. So that's why I didn't show it that much, because it was already reviewed on this channel. But yeah, for me, I like my hair, my wigs real full, but this might not be for everyone. So yeah, I could have skipped this part, like, way, 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 but I want you guys to see it. That was the whole purpose. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm at the top, and I'm about to sew on top of the net with a closure. I wasn't too sure, but this was just a trial to see basically if it's gonna work, because the nets already had big holes on them, so I wasn't too sure if it was gonna work. So this was a risk that I took, and I say if it works, fine. If it doesn't, oh well. So at the end you will see it. I like it, I love it. So yeah, in life sometimes you have to take risks, and you have to, as you guys see on my videos I've been posting. Sometimes you gotta take risks in life for you to make it. Yeah. My sewing was terrible. Girl, it was terrible, but I made it. As long as it was attached. That was the main important thing. I had to sew it on there. As long as it stayed, that's fine. So I'm gonna sew it all around the net. Cause not a cabinet. It's not like the regular stocking cap where it has like a really, really grip. So you gotta really know what you're doing to do that. Yeah, you see that? So I had to pull up some of the closure so that I can get a really, really good grip of that. Okay. Let me be quiet a little bit so you guys can see. I think I did great. What do y'all think? Yeah, I made it work, so I wasn't too sure if this was gonna work, but like I said, it all came up, you know, working out at the end. So yeah, did y'all see me did that? Yes, your girl did that. Yes. Okay. So that's the net right there. So I'm gonna attach, the hair to the net. Yep, just like that. So altogether, guys, just in case if you want to know, I did use 2 packs plus the half bundle that I showed you all before the video started. So 2.5 packs, and the hair is very, very full, y'all. So yeah. Yeah, I went and got and grabbed my little crochet pin that will pass through the net. Yes, y'all, your girl did that. I just did that, yeah. Did y'all see that? I did that. Real patient. Yeah. All the hair came out of that wig. Yeah. But it looked beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm going to use my pink moisturizer. I'm going to put it all over. That mannequin head, oh my God, it gave me such a hard time, y'all. So don't laugh at my mannequin head. I'm gonna have to get me a new one, but it wasn't working with the stand at all. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes, look at that. Look. Okay, y'all. So I did not cut off the net, the extra piece inside because it's not necessary. As you can see, it's not necessary to cut it. It's not like one of those regular stocking cap. That one was also a net, so it wasn't necessary for me to cut it. So I did not cut it from the inside at all. So I just left it as it was. Okay, y'all. So I did that. Okay, I did that. What do y'all think? Thank you for watching, y'all. Okay.